Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with PostFinance Review My Usage Experience. PostFinance Review My Usage Experience offers a way to review and analyze your PostFinance account activity. Its main purpose is to provide users with a clear and detailed overview of their transactions, allowing them to track spending, identify potential issues, and manage their finances effectively. The target audience is anyone who uses PostFinance services and wants better control over their financial data. Key features likely include transaction categorization, expense tracking, and possibly budgeting tools. Their website provides details on specific functionalities. PostFinance website highlights the ease of use of the review tool, emphasizing its intuitive interface and straightforward navigation. They promote the transparency of the data presented, ensuring there are no hidden fees or charges associated with accessing this information. It's integrated directly into their existing online banking platform, making it easily accessible for existing customers. Availability is limited to PostFinance account holders. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using PostFinance Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was incredibly simple. I just logged into my online PostFinance account and found the review tool readily accessible within the main menu. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I easily filtered transactions by date, category, and amount. I used the search function to quickly find specific payments, which was very helpful when reconciling my accounts. The performance was excellent, the data loaded quickly, and I never experienced any glitches or delays. I particularly appreciated the detailed categorization of transactions. It automatically grouped similar payments, which made budgeting much easier. I had a quick question about a specific transaction categorization, and their online help center provided a clear and concise answer. A standout feature for me was definitely the downloadable reports. I was able to generate a CSV file of my transactions for further analysis in my personal spreadsheet program. One minor drawback was the lack of visual graphs to represent my spending patterns. A simple bar chart would have been a helpful addition. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with PostFinance Review My Usage Experience. It's a powerful and user-friendly tool that significantly improves my ability to manage my finances. That's my overview of PostFinance Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.